there, it's Elisa Hollinger. When you owe the IRS, or when you're dealing with the IRS, there's usually two different divisions that you're dealing with. What we call the Service Center, ACS, or you're going to be dealing with your local branch, which is going to be your revenue officers and your revenue agents. If you're dealing with the revenue officers or the revenue agents, they're going to be way more challenging to deal with than the people at the Service Center. In fact, they have two different sets of rules that they have to, or guidelines that they have to follow when dealing with a taxpayer. Now, that being said, doesn't mean that working with your local office is bad. It just means that you may have to jump through more hoops and you may have to provide more information. They do have a lot more authority, which means they can take your stuff, they can get aggressive, they can do things completely different. In fact, they have a lot of judgment calls. And the people that are dealing with the collections, the revenue officers, often they're not trained in tax and compliance, so they're not out there to make sure that you're getting the best deal. They're not out there making sure that your tax numbers are right or that they're only collecting the right numbers. Their job is to get information from you and to get money if at all possible. That's their job. And they like to put the hammer down on taxpayers who don't have representatives because they know that those taxpayers are kind of at their mercy because they don't know what's going on. So if that's you and you're dealing with one of them, be cautious. If you haven't reached that point in your collection process, then I really, really need you to consider which way is going to work best for you, because that's the direction you want to shift your case in. I hope that helps. Take care and bye for now.